and my daughter Felicia have just arrived at the nude beauty pageant, and immediately I can tell we are gonna win the Ultimate Slut Supreme Award. I'm not nervous at all because all these other girls look like fat pigs. That's right, honey. Okay, sweetie, are you ready? How are your tit implants doing? Are they sagging or no, are they good? No, mommy, they're good, see? Alright, perfect. Now remember, Felicia, don't forget to shake your pussy for the judges. Yeah, okay. Alright, next up in the slut category is Lil Miss Felicia. Felicia says that she likes sucking dick, and that people who don't are fat lesbians. Don't forget to shake your pussy! Period! Get it, girl! Oh, shit! My implant! Bitch! Alright, give it up for Felicia, everyone! That's Lil Miss Felicia! How dare you! You're a disgrace! I'm sorry, Mom. Honestly, like, I don't even want to do this anymore. I don't even like pageants. Huh? But I need more. I mean, you need more trophies. No, Okay, y'all, it's time to announce the winner of the Ultimate Slut Supreme. Everyone shut up! Congratulations to Miss Tiffany! Ow! Fuck you, Felicia! Ugh! Fuck all of this! Especially you, Tiffany! Your eyes are far apart and your tits are saggy!